Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple randomizer to make it easier for Chris to choose orders for his customers. He's already sent us a list of menu items, and for this video you'll need to download Pygame and Python on your device. And Pygame is a freeware, so you can all download it for free with the link below. If you need help downloading it, I've also put some tutorials to help you guys get Pygame going. So when you've downloaded Pygame, you can just click on the link below to download Chris's database. And that has all the menu items, so we know what he can order. First thing you need to do is go on the IDLE. It's a program that's in the folder that you download Pygame on. So yeah, first thing we do is we click new file. We're going to type in import random here. And that just installs the package so you can use the method random later on. So yeah, we'll learn how to do something really simple, which is pick a random value from 0 to 1, and to do that you need to type in value equals random.random. So yeah, again, basically what this random method does is it picks a random floating point value from 0 to 1, and that is a decimal number, so it picks a random decimal number from 0 to 1. And to see what it's picked, we use the print method, and you just type in value because we want to see the value. And now we're just going to run this code. You can do it up here, hit run module, or you can just hit F5. So we're just going to do that. Save that, and here we go. We've got a random number between 0 to 1. And yeah, you can do this as many times as you like, and they'll keep coming up with new ones. So the next thing we're going to do is learn how to get a floating point value within a range. And to do that, you have a uniform method. So it gives you, again, a floating point value with non-whole numbers between any range. So we're just gonna, all we have to do is type in uniform here instead of the random method. And put in any range you want. I'm just gonna go with 1 to 10. So now it'll give me a random number between 1 to 10. Run that code. And here we go, we've got 7.404. So now we're going to look at how to do integers, that's whole numbers. So for that you need to use the randint method. So it's pretty much the same thing except we're changing our uniform method to randint. And let's say we've got something with whole numbers like a 6-sided die. So if we want to simulate a die spin, you just do that and then run the code again. Save it. And here we go, we've got 4. And you can run that as many times as you like. So the next thing we're going to need for our randomizer, because these are numbers, we need values. There's something called the choice method, and that picks a random value from any defined list of values. So let's make our list of values for Chris's randomizer. Let's type in item name, and in the item name we'll have all the different types of food that Chris could want in his randomizer. So I'm going to get them from the database here. So we're just going to copy all of the item names, and we have to put them in single brackets. So let's say the first one is for apple juice. Oops. So you just type that in, close the bracket and comma, and separate all the different values with a comma. I've already done this before, just to make things a little bit easier. So I can just copy mine, but you guys will have to go through the database and just get through all of those items. Okay, so I prepared this earlier. I'm just going to copy on that and close with the square bracket. So yeah, just make sure you're closing your values in with square brackets on both sides. Okay, so here we are. So now to be able to pick a random value from a list, we put in method choice. And we just put in item name here because we want to pick a choice from the item name. Just make sure you spell and capitalize everything the same way you've done it above. So yeah, now we can print that, hit run code. And here we go, a random value that pops up, raspberry, lemon, and pie. And you can do that as many times as you like. So this is a pretty simple randomizer so far. We can make it a bit better just to make Chris's job a little bit easier. So in print, you can actually put in words that come with your value. So we'll put in something like I recommend, and then space, close that, and then you add plus. And now when I hit run code, you will get your full text that I recommend with the federal. So you've got a random value here, and then you've got the text I recommend. Okay, so there's also a method called choices, and with that we can actually get more than one value for everything we put in. And to do that, all we need to do is change choice to choices, and we're going to change that to item name, and we're going to call this results. So yeah, we've changed it to choices now, and in here we're going to put in item name, comma, and the amount of choices that we want to pop up. So you can get multiple, let's say if 10 people come in at once and Chris wants to tell them all in random order, you can do it all at once by typing in k equals the number of people. So let's say 10 people, and then right down here we'll just put in results to print those results. So now what should come up is 10 random values from the top of that. So we're going to run that code. Here we go, so we've got 10 random dishes that have popped up. So the thing is, if Chris has different stocks for each of his items, so he has less of one and more of the other, he could make his job a little bit easier by making sure he doesn't give away the ones that he has less of. So he can keep his menu a bit balanced. So we can actually change the probability of each item being chosen. And to do that, we use something called weights. So weights is an argument that can change the probability of an item being selected. So we can input all of our stock values to change the probability of each item being selected. So to use weights, we're going to get rid of our k here because we don't need multiple values anymore, and instead we're going to put in weights. And we put in equals, and then we use our square brackets again. So for each of these item name values that I put up here, we're going to have a different weight. So Python's going to add up all of our weights, and that's going to be our total number. And for each stock value, let's say the first one for apple juice is 50, out of the total number, it's going to have the probability of apple juice being selected in the randomizer is 50 out of whatever the total is. And so to do that, we're going to have to go back to our database and copy each of the quantity individually and just separate it by a comma and make sure that they're in the same order as you've put in your item numbers up here. So I've prepared that earlier for myself. And remember to close that off with a box bracket again. Apple juice. Apple juice was, I think, one of the most likely outcomes to be chosen. In Chris's database, apple juice is the one with the greatest quantity. That is Chris's randomizer complete. And so I hope everyone was able to make the randomizer, and if you had any issues or questions, feel free to access our help page or contact the team for assistance. For those of you who were successful in creating the randomizer, go ahead and attempt all the fun quizzes in the website and take a look at the information provided on Python.